Fox 10 Healthy Living is sponsored by Baptist Healthcare.
I'm Cherish Lombard, and it's time for Healthy Living. You know urgent care clinics are out there, but do you know when you should go to the emergency room and when you could just go to an urgent care clinic instead? Or when it may be more beneficial to visit an urgent care clinic instead of your primary care physician? It depends on your symptoms, and you may be surprised to know that your treatment time and how much your doctor's visit cost you are all affected by the facility you choose.
Chest pain, severe shortness of breath, stroke symptoms, severe bleeding, trauma, head loss of consciousness, head injury.
Tracy Redman, a nurse practitioner with Baptist Medical Group, says those are all symptoms that would warrant a trip to the emergency room. But if you have minor symptoms, you would go see your primary care doctor or go to an urgent care clinic.
Sore throats, coughs, colds, ear infections, urinary tract infections, sprains, any lacerations that might require stitches or glue, mild asthma, anything along those lines.
If you can't get an appointment with your primary care physician right away, that's when you may want to go to an urgent care clinic.
No appointments are needed. You can walk in. It's definitely more efficient than utilizing the emergency room for things like that. We can get patients in and out in just under 2 hours, whereas an average emergency room visit is going to run, as you said, depending on what the condition is, anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. And if it's something that you're coming in for that doesn't really need to be in the emergency room, you're going to get bumped down.
Redman also says using an urgent care facility could save you money.
If you have a primary care physician and you can get in to see that physician for your healthcare needs, that is going to be the most cost effective. But second best would be the urgent care because the fees are lower, your copay is going to be lower versus an emergency room.
Those are just a few things the folks at Baptist Medical Group thought you should know before you make a trip to the emergency room or to your doctor's office. You might be better off visiting your closest urgent care. You can get more information on the Healthy Living page on fox10tv.com. For Fox 10 Healthy Living, I'm Cherish Lombard.
Fox 10 Healthy Living is sponsored by Baptist Healthcare.